Have you ever felt motivated but still stuck in the same place? Do you know what it feels like to want more but move nowhere? Have you ever promised yourself, "Tomorrow I will change," and then stayed the same? Many people feel this pain. You wake up with hope, you sleep with regret. Your heart wants more, but your feet do not move. If you have ever been motivated but stuck, this story is for you. It is not loud, it is not fast, but it is honest. And it can change you forever. Once upon a time, there lived a young man named Amir. Amir was 27 years old. He lived in a small town near green fields and dusty roads. Every morning, the sun rose softly over his village. And every morning, Amir woke with the same dream. He worked in a small shop. He sold rice, oil, and soap. His work was honest, but his heart was not there. Amir dreamed of a different life. He wanted to learn English. He wanted a better job. He wanted to help his parents and feel proud. But Amir had a problem. He started many things, but finished nothing. He watched videos about success. He wrote goals in a notebook. He felt motivated at night. But in the morning, he felt tired. While others studied daily, Amir waited. While others failed and tried again, Amir feared mistakes. People in the village said, "Amir is smart." Others said, "But he is lazy." These words hurt him deeply. Each day looked the same. He woke late. He worked. He came home tired. He promised himself change. Then he slept. Inside, his heart felt heavy. He felt stuck between who he was and who he wanted to be. And he did not know why. Days passed. Weeks passed. Amir tried again and again. One week, he woke early to study English. By the third day, he stopped. Another month, he planned to exercise. After 2 days, he quit. Each failure added weight to his heart. One evening, rain fell slowly. The streets were quiet. Amir sat alone near the river. He watched the water move forward, never stopping. An old man came and sat beside him. It was Rahim Uncle, a man known for wisdom. His hair was white. His voice was calm. "You look tired," Rahim Uncle said, "not in body." In heart, Amir stayed silent. Then he spoke. "I want to change," he said softly, "but I don't move. I feel broken." Rahim Uncle smiled gently. He took 2 small bags from his pocket. Inside were seeds. "One bag is easy," he said. "The other is hard." He dropped both seeds on the ground. "The easy seed grows fast," he said, "but it dies in strong wind. The hard seed grows slow," he continued. "But it becomes a strong tree." Amir did not understand. "I feel motivated," he said, "but I still fail." Rahim Uncle looked at the river. "Motivation is like rain," he said. "It comes and goes, but discipline," he paused. "Discipline is like the river. It moves every day." Those words stayed in Amir's mind, but his heart still doubted. That night, Amir could not sleep. Rain hit the roof softly. His mind felt loud. For the first time, he understood something painful. He was waiting to feel ready, but ready never came. In the morning, he woke before sunrise. The air was cold. His body felt weak, but he stood up. He opened his English book. Only 1 page, just 10 minutes. It was hard. His eyes felt heavy. His mind wanted rest. But he stayed. Days passed. He missed days. He failed again. But he returned. Weeks went by. 10 minutes became 20. Then 30. 1 year later. Amir spoke English slowly, but clearly. He woke early without pain. His habits changed quietly. People noticed. Not his words, his actions. Amir smiled more. He stood taller. He was no longer stuck. Dear friend, every one of us holds 2 seats inside, motivation and discipline. Motivation feels good. Discipline builds life. You do not need fire. You need steps. Start today. 1 page, 1 minute, 1 promise kept. Because the longer you wait, the heavier your heart becomes. You are not broken. You are waiting for action. If this story touched your heart, please like this video. Share it with someone who feels stuck. Subscribe to Tales with English. We will be here every week with stories to grow your mind and heart. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.